Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a different video. I'm going to have my best friends do my voiceover for my slime tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
First,
You pour that. Pour
you pour some glue down the bowl.
Dude, why is it going so slow?
Next, that's top care. Okay,
What the hell is that?
that's soap. Pump the heck out of the bottle. Fragrance-free lotion. You pump that.
Do they all look the same?
You put in some Pantene shampoo,
Yo, I see some yellow on that.
and next you put in some shaving foam. And you just put in some mustard.
Yo, color. Color.
Looks like mustard.
Is that? Oh, it's paint. It's paint. I think that's acrylic paint.
Okay, she's mixing it. Stir that in.
Kinda looks like eggs.
She's making an omelet. Squirt some
I think that's the borax.
yeah, borax solution.
Yeah.
She needs more. You want to mix the slime until it's not sticky anymore.
Dude, why is it so laggy?
Okay, the slime is forming. It's getting stickier.
Yeah.
Okay, she's using her hand now to mix it. Not enough borax solution. It's
It's so laggy.
She took it out of the bowl.
Yeah, that's so
She playing
fast.
with that.
So fast.
She's doing some massage, gentle.
Stop talking. What the hell? Don't tell me what to do.
Oh,
Wait, I think this is the next one. Oh no.
put
Why
in
are
some
the
foam beads.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, squish that in.
So it looks like candy.
Looks like those confetti candies.
Looks like those what are they called?
Okay. Mix it. Okay, she laying down at the table.
They're so little beads. Well, there's no more beads. Put more. Yeah. That looks like an omelet.
More ASMR.
Yo, what is that?
She pouring some glue, clear
Those look
blue.
like balls. Little balls. That's glue?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like those glue sticks.
Oh.
Oh,
Was that more glue? Yeah, I think that's more glue, guys. Kids
kids
paint.
paint. Oh, it has glitters. Okay.
Yeah, you pour some glitter in there. And then you mix it all up. And then... Yeah.
Wow, so pretty.
I want to go to Disney already. What are you laughing at? Dude, your video is very laggy. Is this supposed to be like that?
Do y'all just get a feeling of like
No.
while you're making the slime, you just like want to eat it?
No.
Me neither.
just keep stretching it. Gotta like just release the stress.
Beautiful. Please like and subscribe.
And that is it to this video. Thank you to my best friends for willing to do this. And if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!